I'm meteorologist Chris Holcomb from the 11 Alive Storm Trackers. We continue to watch the tropics very closely. This is the update based on the 2 p.m. intermediate advisory on Monday afternoon. Gamma is still hanging out over the Yucatan Peninsula as a tropical storm. It's really going to be staying close to the coastline as we go through the next few days there, right here on this side of the Yucatan. And it's going to weaken, we think, and fall apart as we go through the rest of the week. So we're really not overly concerned about anything with Gamma impacting our weather. But the system that we really need to watch is Tropical Storm Delta. This was upgraded earlier today to become a tropical storm. It's down in the Caribbean, south of Jamaica. You can see it's going to be moving up between Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula, most likely as a hurricane here once we get into the Tuesday time frame into Wednesday, and then increasing in strength to a Category 2 storm, most likely into the Gulf of Mexico here for Wednesday, Thursday, and then a potential landfall on Friday. Now, what I want you guys to know is that if this track holds true, we're going to get some impacts out of this for your Friday and Saturday. Now, please know this track can change and most likely will change over the next few days, all depending on the strength and intensity and speed of this system. But this last plot shows this still as a tropical storm Saturday morning right on the Mississippi-Alabama line, and the trajectory would take the remnants up toward the north. And since we would be on the right-hand side of that system in that right front quadrant, we have the potential for some of those impacts being rain, wind, and maybe even some severe storms. So that's what we're going to be watching for Friday into Saturday. Here's a look at the spaghetti model plots. And again, this isn't all set in stone, but you see that landfall here once we get into early Friday, and then we'll watch the remnants. We do think it'll be weakening as it moves up toward the north, but here we are in Atlanta, still on that right-hand side of most of those models. So we're going to have to be watching this one very closely. I want you now, it's Monday right now, and we're talking about impacts for Friday and Saturday. Just know this could change, but I want you to be aware. Keep up with this every day because this forecast is most likely to be changing. And as you know, we ran out of names on the original hurricane list, and now we're on the Greek alphabet. We have already had Alpha and Beta. We're tracking Gamma, which is a tropical storm now, and now we have Delta as a tropical storm, but it is most likely going to become a hurricane and maybe even a Category 2 storm before landfall by the end of the week on the Gulf Coast there, the northern Gulf Coast. Keep watching us here on 11 Alive. We're going to keep you posted as each new advisory comes out and new model data so that we can continue fine-tuning any of those impacts that we can have in our area here in Metro Atlanta and North Georgia.